Hello, I'm Kindson the Tech Pro, and today's class will be regular expression. It will be a series of about 8 lessons where we will understand regular expressions very easily, and we are going to implement regular expressions with C Sharp. This is really going to be easy. Well, I'm Kindson, the Tech Pro, with over 18 years of skills and experience as a programmer, application developer, software engineer, consultant, database administrator, and so on and so forth. Well, if you like, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button just below this video so that you get updates when I make lessons. And also, you can leave your comment telling me what lessons you would like me to make. And then I'm going to respond in a few days. Alright, regular expressions. I always put this note under each of the slides. Understand regex by practicing it. And this class will be focused on practicals. Now, what are regular expressions? A sequence of characters that define a search pattern. Now, let's just go out. Let me demonstrate. So we have in my computer, we have a search box here. If I type asterisk, it's actually searching out something. Is it searching for asterisk? Well, let's say .jpg. So at this point, it's still searching, and it searches out a whole lot of things from my computer. Actually, this asterisk here matches for a whole lot of things, and then the next thing is jpg, which matches the extension of the file. We could actually also say question mark 23.jpg, and it also searches out something. Let's see, or we can just say something like yeah, it will take some time because a whole lot of things that may actually match. Alright, maybe try to demonstrate this on your system and you find out that you actually use regular expressions every time without even knowing it. So regular expression is a sequence of characters. What we typed in the search box are called regular expression. Alright, so you use it to actually find or search for something. So we have a number of operators that we will use. We have /d, we have /d, /a, /A, /w, and so on. If this does not make sense, be ready to follow up now. Now I'm going to open Visual Studio. Meanwhile, in the first page, you see this free regular expression checker. I'm going to give it to you for free, and that is what we are going to be using to work at this time. Also, there are a list of practicals that we are going to go through this. Alright, let's open the regular expression checker. It's built in Visual Studio. In about 5 lines of code, that regular expression checker was built. So let's allow it to open. Alright, so it opens up. If you want to get this regular expression checker I developed, it's very easy. Just leave your email in the comments box below and I'm going to send it directly. I'm going to zip it and send to your email box. Alright, so it opens up. Can you believe that this is just the lines that I used to develop this application? So if I run it, we can use it to start working immediately. So the first question now is, how do we write a regular expression that will match characters taken from letters A to K? Meaning that if I type a letter between A to K, it will accept it, but if it's outside A to K, it will not accept it. So this is a regular expression checker, and we are taking the first one. Now, regular expression, I need to type it here, and then the text I want to validate, I'll type it here. The first thing you need to know in regular expression is always start with this character and end it with the $sign. So every other thing you are typing is in between. So letters A to K is as simple as this. This is regular expression for letters A to K. This is it. So if I type in A, it's accepted, true. If I type in Z, it doesn't accept it. Okay, so if I type in df, which is also between, okay, df, which is just two letters, doesn't go. How do I allow it to be more than two? I can just put a plus sign at the end, so at this point it responds correctly. So what have we learned today? Regular expression that will take letters A to K, you enclose it in square braces. We want to take letters between A and Z, A to Z, so at this point it doesn't validate. Let's focus on single letters at this time, it validates. If I try a number, let's say 0, it doesn't validate. If I try a number, let's say 23, it doesn't validate. What if I try an uppercase A? It doesn't validate. So A to Z is just lowercase, exactly as is specified there, A to Z lowercase. So please try out this yourself, and then let's see in the next tutorial as we continue to continue to practice regular expression with all these other ones. I'd like to thank you for viewing. Please subscribe, also like this video, share it with your friends if it's informative to you.